right. My name is Christina Nelson. I am a Squarespace website designer, and I am going to be showing absolutely beginners how to use the free logo maker by Squarespace today. You can simply click in Squarespace logo maker in Google. This will pop up. I'm already signed into my account, so if I just click on that, it will bring up this screen. And by the way, if you need help with anything in regards to your website or your logo, feel free to contact me. My website is monarchwebdesigns.com. I work with people all over the United States if they need something in their Squarespace sites. So here you can type in your company name. I'm just going to choose Roger Brown. Click on the arrow, and this comes up right away. There's all of these amazing symbols in the Squarespace logo maker. So let's say I typed in boat. I don't want it to be a triangle. I want it to be something nautical. Let's see here. How about this one? Okay, so here's my shape. Okay, and I will start with color first. If I click on this right up here, I can change the color. If I have an exact color number, I can put it here. If I don't, I can just click down in here. If I want it to be red, I can just click around. Oh, okay, these are decent colors, but I want it to be blue because it's something to do with the water. So I'm going to click on this up here. Now this is this color. I can copy it, and now I can come over here, click on this, and put in that color, and that turns that color. So that's pretty fun. Now, if I click on this, in addition to changing the color, I can change the actual text of it, like Limelight, Roger Brown. Let's just leave that one. It's just kind of fun and different. So you can change the font right here, the color. You can also change it from bold to regular to italicized. You can change, just bring it up and down, bring it up and down. And you'll notice as I'm moving these things, these lines show up. I love these lines. They keep things aligned. And you can control that over here. There's like this little little wheel right there. This will pop up, and you can click on this if you want them on or if you want them off. I love Snap to Grid because it keeps things, well, is it on? Let's see. Yeah, Snap to Grid. So it just locks things into place, and I really like that. You can change the grid size. Those are all those little dots behind it. So you could go from 20 to 50, okay? Or you could do this and you could go 10. Okay, you can see all these little tiny dots. So you can change that, and that's just all dependent on what you feel comfortable with. So let's say I was clicking on this and I'm like, no, I really don't think I like this. I want another symbol. Well, then you can just head over here, click on the search button. Let's say I still want boats, something nautical. How about let's click on this one. So you'll notice that immediately changed to this thing. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. If I click on this, I can now move it around. It's kind of fun. Now, in addition to Roger Brown, a lot of companies, they have a tagline associated with their logo. So over here where it says tagline, you could say boating is for everyone. Just something silly. So say I had this right here. Okay, I want it to be that color, so I'm going to grab this color, click on this thing, put it right in there. Now it's blue as well. And I'll say, okay, I like my logo. I am going to download it now. You can come right over here where it says Save Logo. Say Download. And right here, you can download your color logo. Over here, you can download basically a white logo of your logo. And this one, it will, of course, be black. So they gave you these different options to make your life easier. So I'm just going to show you, grab it to the side. And now I have this wonderful little logo. It's free, it's beautiful, and it's such a nice little part of using Squarespace. Now, if you are struggling with your logo or need any help concerning it, I would be happy to help. My website is monarchwebdesigns.com. And yeah, just feel free to reach out and ask me any questions that you may have. Have a great day. Bye.